A thermal camera registers heat instead of light. It uses a palette to map heat radiation in the scene to different colors. Things that are hotter or cooler than their surroundings will stand out clearly. It's all about difference in heat radiation. A thermometric camera is based on the same operating principle, but is calibrated to also be able to measure the temperature throughout the scene. By setting up the palette to map certain colors to a specific temperature range, an operator can clearly see when something in the scene exceeds a user-defined temperature. The camera can also work autonomously and raise an alarm when something gets too hot or too cold. A lot of industries have machinery or even areas where the temperature should be kept within certain safe limits. A thermometric camera is a great way to automatically monitor for early signs of fire or tendencies to overheat. Thermometric cameras let you know when things get too hot to handle.